We're here at the Electric Light Parade. Nikki wants to say hi.
Welcome to this very special Project Sullivan Holiday Edition. And this week's Project Sullivan is going to be all about the light parade we have in our little town. I'd like to thank everybody for attending the parade, especially the police, firefighters, and EMS. Without you guys, the town wouldn't be as peaceful and safe as it is. Thank you to the ones at home watching, and the ones who donated footage from their phones to try and make the video better. That being said, there is a little bit of a low light situation because it is a light parade, and some cell phones don't work well with low light, including my own. So bear with us on that a little bit, and hopefully we captured the essence of what the parade was to us. From all of us to all of you, happy holiday. If you liked the video, please subscribe.
Electric Light Parade 2022. Project Sullivan, Rattle Can Rob. Driving with Uncle Scotch in the back, if you can even hear me over the sirens. Don't worry, they ain't pulling me over yet. Usually when the sirens are going off like this, I think it's a donut sale, but this time they're just showing the community how much they love them. One of these days I'm going to learn how to English. Feliz Navidad. We're going a whopping 0 miles an hour. I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, that probably is a Hellcat. Be sketchy because my GoPro has died. See the long parade line down the way. The best time to drive in a parade is with one hand holding a cell phone. Got the girls with us. Funny story, Rattle Can Rob. Gogo back in the day used to say, instead of Feliz Navidad, he used to say Police Navidad. There's Uncle Scotch. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
That's why he was howling. There's the dog catcher.
Uncle Scotty's race car. Uncle Scotty's race car's trying to compete with that Challenger up the way. Did you hear him? Whoa! We topped out. Oh, I missed it. Well, we were topped out at 4 miles an hour. Wave! Wave to all the fans! What Uncle Scotty doesn't know is his race car is nothing. It's a side-by-side. I'll take him as long as I get to pick the track. Oh, check it out, check it out. 4 miles an hour.
All right, the sheriff's posse.
If you would like to help Sullivan Racing 20S, the Cash App is below.
Am I the only idiot with my headlights on? Apparently I'm the only idiot with my headlights on. Because we make the mistakes so you don't have to. Oh, there's Grandma. See Grandma? Right down the corner.
That sounds like it coming.
There's gogo again. We got JT with us. JT, you gonna say hi to the camera? Hi, JT. Huh? He's that way. Please behind us. I think Uncle Scotty is giving the police a run for their money. Them sirens are nothing compared to that car. Going good, boss? How are you? And here's the homeless. Just joking. They didn't smart enough to bring a burn barrel. The girls do not like my homeless joke. Nobody told me nothing. Apparently I was stashing all the candy and didn't know it. We're being left in the dust at 2 miles an hour. Time to open this thing up. All right, let's kick it up to warp speed. Oh, looks like we got some people coming up on the side here. Well, I'll tell you this, them horses aren't full of it anymore. We drove over a bunch of it. That thing does take some throttle control though. Oh, I lied. They're still full of it. Oh, hey, how's it going? Coming back up. He may have taken it. Merry Christmas!
From all of us to all of you, happy holidays. If you've been watching this long, you might as well subscribe. If you would like to help Sullivan Racing 20S, the Cash App is below. Keep a lookout for the next holiday episode where we go to the forest, cut down trees to donate to people who don't have trees. Tune in for the next Project Sullivan.